How to enable two-factor authentication in Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your device or access it through your bank's mobile app and log into your account. Next, tap on Settings or Account tab, then select Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Now choose your preferred two-factor authentication method. You can use text message where you will receive a verification code via SMS, an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, or a voice call where a verification code will be sent to you. After selecting your method, follow the set of instructions. For text message, enter your phone number and input the verification code you receive. For an authenticator app, scan the QR code or enter the secret key provided. For voice calls, enter the code you received via the call. Finally, confirm that two-factor authentication is working correctly by logging out and logging back into Zelle. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Zelle account, helping protect your money and personal information. Now you know how to enable two-factor authentication in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.